Everyone, Paul here. Today I want to go over kind of it's a pretty effective strategy. I may have talked about it before. This strategy is mainly for futures trading. So I use it for crypto to find those moments. You may be doing your futures trade and you want to find those good moments of finding your gains. This method is actually pretty accurate. And what you basically want to do is, and I'll walk you through this process, but you basically want to have your moving averages. You want to have 20. You want to have a 20, and I make that, make it yellow and make it stand out. And then I get you 25. So those are the main things, is your moving averages. You got to have 20 and 25. Now, if you guys don't know what 2025 is, if you guys have seen my rainbow strategy, 2025 are basically the first two moving averages from the rainbow strategy, and it's pretty effective when you just concentrate on the first two. You could add all the other EMAs to the rainbow strategy if you want, but today we really focus on just the 20 and the 25, and you really can find those moments of when it's going to start tanking and when it's going to go up. And so let me just load up. Now it's also helpful if you also have RSI and the MACD there as well to find those moments. But let me show you exactly what I mean and how it can actually pick up good signals to find longs and shorts. Okay, so this strategy, like I was saying, is very simple. To find those moments, let's just move. Like we said, I said to have your moving average as 20, and that's that yellow line there, and the 25, that's the green line right there. I also have my Algo Pro there to kind of help me see if it's, the cloud kind of helps, to see. And you can see from this point here of what we want to focus on is with the 20 and 25 is the moments that they cross, which that would be right here. The strategy is pretty simple. And you can see from this point here, you can see that the RSI is on the bottom. So it's showing a short, really. It's showing a bearish signal right here. And basically you just follow it. Like I said, this is the first two EMAs of the these are the first two EMAs of the rainbow strategy. So what you basically do is you wait for the cross and you just follow it, and it helps for me if I don't look at the candles, because as long as these lines do not cross again, it is telling me that it is a bearish moment. And it also helps to, look at your RSI and look at your MACD, because that will show you the strength of, if it goes back up, how strong is it when it goes back up. You got to know for these if you want to hold for a long trade. So you can see right here from the point that it crossed that the RSI was under 50. And the MACD signal was kind of getting weaker. But you see that it's Bitcoin right now looks like it might be trying to go back up, because you see it might cross back up, and it all depends. I think it's personally gonna it's gonna try and go back up, but eventually it's just gonna go. The signals for going back up, I think yesterday was the run to 30K. I personally think Bitcoin is going to be going down, because I don't think it's going to hold the 30,000 mark. But anyway, that's pretty the strategy. You look for the moment when they cross. I turn the candles off to find those moments, because it gets pretty tight with the lines. And let's just look at previously here. You see that yesterday, all day yesterday, it went up, and you can see that it crossed right here. And if we follow it from cross to cross, if we look at the candles, if you follow it right here, you see the cross, so you could have followed this entire run up, and you could have got out right about here or sooner than that. So that's pretty much the 2025 strategy. It's pretty simple. It's the first two moving averages of the rainbow strategy, and I find it very helpful. Anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in future videos.